Hello and welcome. Myself Dr. Aparna, founder Aura Clinic, and today we are going to talk about the most important skincare routine in summers, and that is sunscreen. Why sunscreen is the most important summer skincare routine and why we should apply it. So 5 basic reasons to apply sunscreen this summers, and you should not forget that. And first of all is sunscreen prevents pigmentation and tanning. That is, it protects the melanin production in skin, and that is why it is very important for pigmentation, for dark spots, for melasma, and for uneven skin tone. Second important reason is that it slows down the aging, whether it is your anti-aging or your pigmentation or wrinkles or fine lines. So it slows down your aging process. So it is very important that you should apply sunscreen in the summers. It protects after the skincare treatment. If you're taking any kind of skincare treatments, whether it is medifacials or laser treatments or pigmentations or any kind of depigmentation, wrinkles or anti-aging treatments, this skincare routine, you have to include sunscreen as a part of these treatments. So if you're having acne or maybe related to acne scars, so it is important to apply sunscreen whenever you are going out and having a sun exposure. So post-inflammatory marks should be applied, and if you are having acne, then you can apply sunscreen. If you are indoors and even if you are having your time on the mobile and TV and on the UV rays, then also you need to apply sunscreen on your face. So it acts as a barrier between the UV rays and your skin. So it is a must. Now next we will come to the do's and don'ts of your sunscreen. Now the do's of the sunscreen. First of all, if you are stepping out of your home, so 15 to 20 minutes before stepping out of your house, you need to apply sunscreen. Second, you have to reapply the sunscreen after 3 to 4 hours. Use daily, even on the cloudy days, you need to apply sunscreen. And next is apply sunscreen evenly on your skin. It includes your hands, your face, your neck, and your all the exposed part. And next is use always SPF 30 and above. And if you are having a work which is related to outside field, then you have to use SPF 50 and above for your daily routine skincare. Now the don'ts of sunscreen. First of all, you should never forget that only once you need to apply in the morning and then leave it and then forget it. No, you have to reapply. And if you are sitting besides the window, then don't skip your sunscreen. Then don't use a very little product on your face and just a bit of product and just leave it. Don't do that. Then don't depend on the makeup sunscreen or the matte sunscreen which is available these days in the market. A lot of patients come and ask that if we are going for swimming, then which sunscreen we need to apply. Then there is a lot of water resistant sunscreen are also available in the market. You can apply it. Don't forget to reapply it after 1.5 to 2 hours. Also use goggles and caps and swimming costumes which are full, so it will give you less of tanning and it will protect your skin in a better way. Thank you so much, and if you like this and if you have any kind of questions, you can comment in the comment section, and do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.